Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, looking at some of the latest weather data coming into the weather center, and it still looks like another round of showers and strong thunderstorms coming up for tomorrow, once again favoring the afternoon and early evening hours. We are quiet after some busy weather this afternoon and early evening as well. Temps are in the 70s, low 70s. It'll stay in that range most of the night, along with high humidity. With that moisture in the air, we'll watch for some areas of dense fog to be forming. Visibility has been dropping off a little bit down in Newport, more so across the lower Cape and Islands, so fog will be an issue late at night and early in the morning. Satellite and radar composite locally shows what's left of some of the stronger storms that we had now pushing offshore. We're left with clouds and a few breaks in the overcast. And here's the wider view. There's more precipitation through upstate New York. Not a factor in our forecast for tonight, but it is part of a weather system that I'm tracking. It's this alternating red and blue line from northern New England to just north of Chicago. It's going to be what we call a backdoor cold front. As it sinks off to the south, it's going to act as a trigger and set off showers and strong thunderstorms. It actually represents the leading edge of much cooler air that's headed our way for Friday. Tomorrow will be one more very warm and humid day. The risk for severe thunderstorms is highest across the Midwest, this area in yellow. But you look at the scale, and New England is somewhere in this general area. See this little darker area of olive green on the map, the Mass Pike South? This represents a slightly enhanced chance for strong to severe thunderstorms once again for southern New England tomorrow afternoon and into the early evening hours. Let me walk you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening, and just watch the time bar right up in here. Just clouds, high humidity and fog, temps in the 70s. This is tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Heading out to work, I don't anticipate any big storms or downpours yet, but that will change during the afternoon. 12 noon, we're still somewhat quiet. Clouds and hazy sunshine with temperatures 80s inland and 70s at the coastline. Watch to our north. We start to see, now this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, red and yellow and orange colors represent the downpours and the thunderstorms. Here we go again, 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening for the evening commute. And then by tomorrow evening, 8, 9 o'clock, they're moving offshore. Downpours, lightning, potential for hail, and some strong gusty wind as well. So for tomorrow morning, coastal fog, hazy and humid. Temperature starting off in the lower 70s. Will warm to about 80, 85 tomorrow afternoon with the high humidity, scattered showers and strong thunderstorms and downpours once again. Temperature by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 83 degrees. 7-day Futurecast, we are sharply cooler of all things on Friday. Look at that high. We go from 85 tomorrow to 70 on Friday with rain likely. We get back on track over the weekend after some morning clouds on Saturday, some sunshine in the afternoon. Sunday looks nice, seasonable temperatures, partly sunny with highs between roughly 80 and 85 degrees. So another active day coming up tomorrow afternoon, and by tomorrow morning we may reissue a pinpoint weather alert to give you a heads up on some of these potential storms.
You hope when the storms come it kind of cools things off, but that humidity is still there.
It does. It just adds more moisture to the air, so it feels wet even when it's not raining.
All right. Thank you, Tony. Coming up next.